Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some grown man cornbread. Yes honey, this has a really good kick to it. So warning, if you guys can't stand the heat, please stay out of the kitchen today. Okay, all right. Again, if you guys are new, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right into this video. So we add some flour, some cornmeal, cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove in baking powder, whisk and set aside. We're going to add some sugar, melted butter, egg, and some good vanilla extract, and of course our half and half. Whisk. Then we're going to add our dry ingredients a little at a time to our wet ingredients, making sure everything is really well combined. This is absolutely amazing. We're going to add some sweet corn and of course our jalapeno peppers. And then we are going to pour in a really good greased dish, and I'm using a Pyrex dish. Pour our mixture in and we're going to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. Now to make our amazing sauce, we're going to add some butter to a preheated pan. After about 5 minutes on low heat, you're going to add some sriracha. Now you can choose to omit this pepper right here. Now if you're going in for the long haul, you're going to keep it in, and then we're going to add some honey. Give that a good stir. Then we're going to add some nutmeg. Stir that in, and then we are going in with just about a teaspoon of lemon juice. This is absolutely delicious. We're gonna set aside. Our cornbread is looking amazing. Perfection. Guys, I can't tell. This was one of the best cornbread I've ever made. It is so fluffy, so spongy, absolutely delicious. It has that good kick, and the texture from the corn is just out of this world, honey. So you're gonna pour that sauce right over, and you are going to serve. Now when you guys make this, please tag me. Please comment, let me know how yours turned out. Because this right here is a definite winner. All right, so thank you all again for spending the time with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Again, do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye now.